Alright, so you're going to start with a slip knot, and you're going to chain 1. Then you're going to turn that chain over, and you're going to find the back bump of that chain that you just made, and you're going to pull up a loop just like you were going to do a single crochet. But before you yarn over and pull through both of these and do your single crochet, you're going to yarn over and you're going to chain 1. That's creating the foundation chain on the bottom as you do your row of single crochet. So now you could yarn over and pull through 2 to finish your single crochet as normal. And if you turn it over, you kind of made a V right here. That's the chain that you just made. So you want to get under both of those strands, pull up a loop just like you were going to do a single crochet, but you're going to loosen this a little bit and then chain 1, and then finish your single crochet. If you turn it this way, you can kind of see what you're creating better. So we're going to go into that chain that we just made at the bottom of our single crochet, pull up a loop, make it loose, chain 1, finish your single crochet. Turn it back over, get under both strands, pull up a loop, make it loose, chain 1, finish your single crochet. Now why this is allowing this to be stretchy is because what we're doing is we're putting a single crochet stitch in between each chain 1. That gives it the ability to stretch. And you would just keep going for however long you wanted your project to be. And let's say this was as long as you wanted it to be, and you were going to go back the other way with another row of single crochet. You would just do as you normally would. Chain 1, turn your work, put a single crochet into that first stitch, and then just keep going as normal. And now not only does the second row stretch, but the entire project stretches as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Have a good day.